What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Sorry in advance because I just woke up and I didn't have time to do my usual vocal warm-up, so I'm gonna sound a little bit not as pleasant today. Well, why am I making this video in such a rush then? It's happened. The RMRs have been removed from the store. You can no longer buy them directly from CSGO, therefore the supply is forever limited. Well, hopefully. But yeah, let's check out the highlights of this event. First of all, the capsules are on the first page of the store, even the Navi Gold and the Navi Paper. Okay, let's open them up. As you can notice, the capsules have grown almost 50%, all of them. I honestly doubt that it's gonna sit here all day. I think it'll fall slightly towards the evening and then continue growing. Because usually initial spikes are like that. They just happen and then it starts falling a bit. Here's an example on the Navi Gold. Started out at $30, went up to 53 and went down to 46, 48. It might still fall a little bit, but honestly I would just buy now if I had the money. Here's for example Natus Vincere in paper. It grew up in price from 9 to 15, almost double in price. Similar things have happened to the Holo, the foil for Navi, also the Tile ones. Those are pretty popular. Actually, all the teams that are popular had such a boost in price. In the past few days, people have been asking me if they should sell their Tile Golds, and I was very certain that they should not sell them. Mostly these falls in price were caused because people were waiting for some certain event to happen, and when it didn't happen, they would just sell their items because they thought the RMRs are gonna stay in the shop forever. And at this point, because they were thinking that, the stickers were kind of plateauing, because I think it was already at the bottom. It kind of met the demand and supply at about 30 euros. And I think it would have continued at this price had they not removed the capsules. My initial prediction for these capsules to be removed was June 16th. And that's about 3 weeks away from now, which is kind of close. I thought that because the RMRs were in the shop for full price for 10 weeks, and I thought maybe they're gonna hold the discount also for 10 weeks. But now they held it for like 6.5 weeks, or what, 7 weeks? I think in the long term these capsules are gonna plateau a lot. They're gonna find a certain price and stay at that price for a long time before they run out of supply and then start climbing even higher. And that might take a lot of time, so be ready for that. But still, they're gonna be pretty expensive. Someone just created 1000 buy orders for 29. Are you serious? Damn, that person is investing. Holy crap. Alright, so I checked the blog post for CSGO and there is nothing about this, so that's interesting. But yeah, I think that was pretty much all I have to say. Now I'm gonna go ahead and have breakfast finally and start working on the next video. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.